from asthma problems, and children and adolescents
Nicholas,
can have an increased risk of being hospitalized for asthma problems.
we have the hiccups.
Well controlled with a long-term asthma control medicine like inhaled corticosteroids. Once your asthma is well controlled, your doctor will decide if you can stop Symbicort without loss of control and prescribe a long-term asthma control medicine.
Be sure to see your doctor if your asthma does not improve or gets worse.
Symbicort is a good choice to help control my asthma all day and night.
Ask your doctor if Symbicort is a good choice for you. If you can't afford your medication, AstraZeneca may be able to help.
Bender & Bender is America's most successful Social Security disability advocates. One important reason? Lots of time for Bender & Bender. You just stay at home and we work for you on the phone. Call 1-800-66-BI.